In this video, I'll guide you through how to share Jotform submissions. If you've collected responses through a Jotform and you want to let someone else view them without giving them full access to your entire account, this walkthrough is for you. We'll go from the main Jotform dashboard all the way to copying a shareable link to your submissions, and I'll point out what to look for along the way so nothing feels confusing. First, open your web browser and go to jotform.com. If you're not already logged in, sign into your account with your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Jotform dashboard where you can see your forms and folders. This is your main starting point for managing everything in your account. Today, I'll show you how to get to all your forms in one place so you can choose the right one to share. On the left side of the dashboard, look for the navigation panel. In that panel, find and click the option labeled All. This view pulls together all the forms in your account, no matter which folder they're in. It's especially helpful if you have a lot of forms and you're not sure where a specific one is stored. Next, locate the form whose submissions you want to share. You'll see your forms listed in the main area of the screen. When you find the correct form, move your cursor over it to reveal additional options. I'm going to walk you through how to open those options using the More drop-down menu. Look for a button or link labeled More to the right of the form's name, then click it. This expands a small menu with various actions you can take for that form. From that drop-down menu, choose the option called Submissions. Clicking Submissions will open the Submissions table or inbox view for that specific form. Here, you can see all of the entries that people have submitted, their answers to your form questions, submission dates, and any other data you've collected. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct form by checking the title at the top of the page. Now that you're on the submissions page, I'll show you the easiest way to generate a link you can share. Look toward the top right corner of the submission screen. You should see a share button there, and this button controls how you give other people access to the submission data. Go ahead and click share. When you do, a panel or pop-up will appear showing sharing options, including a special link to the submissions view. In this panel, you'll see a field with a URL that Jotform has created for you. This is the link that others can use to access the submissions based on the permissions you set. To get this link ready to send, click copy link. That action copies the entire URL to your clipboard, so you can paste it into an email, a chat message, or a document. Before you share the link, it's a good idea to quickly review any visibility or access settings shown in the sharing panel. Make sure they match what you're comfortable with, especially if the submissions contain sensitive information. Once everything looks right, simply paste the copied link wherever you need to share it. That's all it takes to share Jotform submissions. Open Jotform, go to all forms, open the form submissions, click share, and then copy the link so others can view the results.